All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be looking at cases from Ringke. I got the full Ringke case lineup right here, and I'm going to try them on for you. Now, disclaimer, I don't have my, as recording this video, I don't have my S22 Ultra yet, but I do have dummy units, so I can't test wireless charging and button feedback and things like that, but I can give you a show and tell of what Ringke is bringing to the market, and you can purchase these cases right now. So let's get into this video. We're going to start, just line them up. Well, let's start with this Ringke case right here, because this is their new Folio signature series. And I don't recall ever seeing them with a Folio series before, but let's check it out. This feels really, really good. And you also have a little strap here for holding it like this, or I bet you possibly could use it as a kickstand. There you go. You can use it as a kickstand as well. This is really nice. Feels like real leather. I'm on the fence now whether something is faux leather or not, but this does feel really good. You can see they have the signature series in here. It doesn't come apart on this side, so yeah, if you want to use it as a kickstand, you'll use it like this. You probably also can sit it back like that, and the weight of your phone should help with that a little bit. But just looking over the case, you've got a slot here where you can put some cash, your credit cards, whatever you want to put in there. I think that's going to look really nice. You can see the cutout here for the camera, and then on the top here and the bottom, it's going to be open because this does have S Pen access. So you would pop your phone in. I always go whatever side the buttons are on. I just go in that way. But this is how it's going to look right now. You can see your buttons right here. These are the buttons that you'll need access to. If you're talking on the phone, you'll fold it like this. Now, some people are a fan of folio cases. It has to be a really nice folio case for me to actually use it as a regular. With Samsung's previous cases like this, the one that I bought for the Z Fold 3 was horrible. It just flopped around. And this one has a spot here for your cards, like I said, and your driver's license. So it'll add some weight and help in keeping it closed, but there's no magnetic thing going on here. This is simply just a folio wallet style case. You can see how it's going to look on your device. Now, this should technically work with wireless charging, even though this strap is in the way. It's going to be a matter of positioning, I would say, but I guess I can test that later. Here's the cutout here for the camera, and then you've got open access on the top right here, and then you have open access on the bottom, so your charging port and everything is going to be S Pen's fully accessible. So that is how it looks, man. This is a really nice looking case, I gotta add. And again, I'm not really a folio style person, but this one looks pretty decent. So getting it off, I'm just gonna hit the corners and pop it straight out. Now let's move on to the next case here. One of your favorites, the Ringke Fusion X. All these cases come in a regular style packaging like this that Ringke does. So here is one of the most popular cases that you can ever get on from Ringke. This has got to be one of the best cases that they make. Their cases are really affordable. And this case does work with, all the rest of these cases will for sure work with wireless charging because of the plastic back here, no metal and anything blocking the connection. But this has got to be one of their best cases that they ever make. And I'll leave a link to all of these down below, so be sure to check that. This is like the ultimate drop test, thin, in your pocket, sometimes can't feel it, their case. You've got lots of grip over this entire case. This back here is completely textured, and it's got that camo look to it, which is really beautiful. And then on the sides, you actually have more grip. That is how it works with this case. Very grippy, really nice. And then on the power button and volume rocker, more grip. So this case is about drop protection to help you so you don't drop it. So you got a spot for a lanyard on this side. You see the cutout for the camera. Microphone hole on the top of this case because this device has a microphone on the top, and then you have all the cutouts and ports down on the bottom. So let's pop it in here, and this feels really, really good, man. This is just one of the best feeling cases, and one of the best cases that I've ever purchased and reviewed on the channel. And then Ringke sends them out to me now, so I appreciate them supporting me in this YouTube journey here. But this is really nice, folks. You've got feet on the back here if you lay it down this way. Now, the thing about this case is it has lip protection on the front it's just hard to notice at certain angles. So it has a real faint lip protection. So when you sit it down like this, the front of the screen is not touching the surface. So just remember that when you buy this case. Camera cutout is nice and deeply recessed, really nice. I really like how I just like this camo case. At one point, this was the only case I was wearing on all devices, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So there's different versions of this. This is the camo version. This is the Fusion X, and then I'm going to show you now the other version. So you have a black version, which is basically black, and it doesn't have the camo. So depending on what color phone you have, you know, this is going to determine how your case is going to look. So you'd want to peel these off, and they all are pretty much the same. I'm going to save these just in case I decide to do a giveaway or give these to family members, because I do have more than one S22 Ultra ordered. So, you know, again, you got the same case, just clear. Drop protection, lip protection on the front, same, it just feels good. Grip and everything on here. This is just called the black color. So we'll pop this off, and I'll show you the next version of this. This one is the clear, and this one is the clear. There's a different, there's a Fusion X version. Let me see here, I'll make sure I'm gonna get this right for you, because these are pretty much the same cases. Yeah, this is the Fusion Clear. This is the matte clear, and that's another clear, looks like. So one of these is a soft touch. No, they're good to go. All right, so here's a clear. Show you the clear, and then I'll move on to showing you one of the most famous cases also that they make, because they make some really good cases. In general, most of their cases are fantastic. So this is the Fusion Clear, and this one doesn't have the same grip on the side, like the texture, but it is super grippy, and that is important, I gotta tell you. So let's pop this on here. And again, this is one of those cases that depending on what color phone you have, some of us ordered the exclusive colors, and I think we're really gonna enjoy a clear case on our device. Now this case right here, let me pop open the other clear one, because there's two different kinds of clear ones here. I wanna make sure they're different here, because I remember them making a soft touch one. Let me see. Oh, this is a wallet one. Okay, gotcha. I'll show you that one in just a second. I'll get it to you right now. Here is the same case now with the wallet attachment to it, which is really nice. This is the first I've seen them do this with the clear Fusion series. This is definitely nice. You can put your credit cards in here. They go in this way right here, and you push them out by pushing this way. So that's pretty cool. You put your cards in here, same case, just with the wallet on the back. And I think that is super cool that they've put this into rotation now, because some people, you don't see a lot of clear wallet cases, and this one is absolutely nice. It's really nice. I like that this is a frosted material. And again, depending on which color you have of the phone, these are really gonna pop. Clear cases obviously show off the color of your device. They all have access to the S Pen. Most of these cases are gonna be built the same. All of these cases are gonna be built the same, with access for the cutouts and ports and everything like that. And again, to test wireless charging, I'll do that later for you, but you do have lip protection, about the same amount of lip protection on all of these cases. I think it's really nice that they've introduced a wallet style for a clear case. I think that's pretty cool. So I've never seen that one from Ringke before, but I'm glad they've brought that one to the surface. Now, one other popular one, because they have a lot of good cases, man, and I'm telling you, there's a lot to choose from when it comes to Ringke. This has got to be one of the best. This is their Frosted series right here. I'm peeling this one off to show you the frost. This one is absolutely great, man. It has a frosted back, and these are the ones that I really like a lot. But the only thing I don't like about these is they have the clear sides. They don't have any kind of frost or matte feel along the sides, and I really wish they would incorporate that in the future, because this has got to be one of their top cases as well. That just looks so much better with the frost on there. I just think that's the way to go. I think that's absolutely beautiful. And this is just one that I'll definitely put into rotation. Again, shout out to Ringke for supplying all the cases for review. I genuinely am grateful and I appreciate it. Now, the last case that I want to show you today is one of my favorites. Man, I gotta tell you, when this case first came out, I was just in awe. And that is the Ringke Onyx. This has got to be one of the best feeling cases. It's like having the camel case that I first showed you with just a solid back of all grip. It's just amazing. You can see the little feet here to where you sit it down like this. It's just great. You can see the branding on the inside there. This case is one that if you're indecisive about what to buy from Ringke, this is one that you can grab and you'll be totally happy with it for a long time to come. This case actually stands up pretty good over time too, because I was using this regularly, and all functionality with this case works, wireless charging and things like that. Grip all on the sides, and it's like, it's a really crazy texture along the sides here. Really, really nice, man. You got some subtle branding there. This is just a really nice case. And that Ringke obviously is a well-known brand, and they produce great cases. And they have cases. This case lineup is not just for the Ultra. This is just the phones that I ordered. So I told them, hey, I'm ordering the Ultra. If later on I decide to pick up the S22, which is the smaller variant, which I'm sure I probably will, I might bring you cases on that as well. But for now, the Ultra is the way to go, I think, for a lot of people. I think a lot of people are excited about the Ultra, and it is just going to be one of the most fantastic phones. I can already tell if you like Samsung, I like Samsung. And just the Samsung experience as I rock out with a Ringke case on my the frosted one I'm using on my Ringke, on my Z Fold 3. This is it's just the thing. I just happen to be wearing this case, and I think Samsung makes great phones, and I think Ringke makes fantastic cases. So I'll leave a link down below. You can grab these cases. Those are affiliate links. I don't normally say that, but I mean, I think now most creators use affiliate links, but it is affiliate links to support the channel so I can keep going. But I appreciate Ringke sending over these cases. Wow, I just can't wait to get my S22 Ultra in. One of them should be here. The one I got from my wife should be here on the 25th, along with everyone else's. I haven't gotten any kind of shipping notification, but I ordered that one from Best Buy, and then I ordered the other one from my exclusive one from Samsung with a particular color. So hopefully I'll bring you one of these devices pretty soon to get some kind of startup going for you. But we'll see how this works out. This case is definitely a go. I think you guys will love this. All of the cases that they introduced today, that I showed you today, they've introduced that are new to me. The Folio is new to me. The wallet style on the Clear Fusion is new to me. But even all these cases that are not new to me, they are still fantastic, and they are very affordable. So with the price of one case that is normally $60, you can probably buy 3 or 4 of these cases. Who knows? Sales happen, and even at a regular price, they're still very affordable. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Appreciate it, Ringke.